Every year, tobacco kills more than 7 million people, which costs the global economy over $2 trillion. It's these astounding figures that have galvanized the pro-health anti-tobacco stakeholders here. The gathering to discuss all aspects of tobacco-related research, like prevention and control, as well as tobacco use, which is one of the biggest public health issues globally. South Africa plans to get tough too, with the Department of Health about to tighten the screws on many forms of tobacco use.
We're looking at some 4 key areas that we can look into in terms of legislation, like plain packaging, the introduction of plain packaging, the introduction of 100% smoke-free areas in indoor public places, as well as certain outdoor places like your hospitals, your beaches, your stadia.
There are known health hazards associated with smoking, but many still light up nonetheless, and smokers are getting younger and younger. Secondary smoke is an issue too, as well as pregnant females working the tobacco fields in the agricultural sector.
The mothers who had low birth weight newborns were more exposed to tobacco compared to mothers who had normal birth weight. So exposure to tobacco during pregnancy was significantly associated to low birth weight newborns in Arua district.
There is a fight back though, such as a new app that allows doctors to track the progress of patients wanting to give up smoking, as well as open source journals on tobacco-related diseases, which will more often be of use, especially on the continent.
In developing countries, we're seeing that diseases have not reached their highest level. In others, we're going to see an increase in tobacco-attributable diseases in developing countries over the next few years.
However, the same can't be said for developed countries, who are seeing a decline, which may be due to the rising popularity of electronic cigarettes. South African authorities plan to implement the tough new smoking measures within the next 2 weeks, which they hope may bring down those stubbornly high levels of tobacco use amongst the population once and for all. Travers, CGTN, Cape Town.